In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Google AdSense approval in WordPress. We'll use Google's official Sitekit plugin so you can connect your site to AdSense quickly and correctly, all from within WordPress. Start by going to WordPress.com and opening the Plugins section. If you're on a plan that supports plugins, you'll see the directory where you can browse and install them. Make sure you're working on the correct site and that you're logged into an account with the right permissions to install plugins. This keeps everything smooth once we begin connecting to Google. Next, search for Sitekit by Google. You'll recognize it by the full name that mentions Analytics, Search Console, AdSense, and Speed. Sitekit is Google's all-in-one integration for WordPress, and using it ensures your AdSense setup follows Google's recommended path. It also helps with site verification and automatically places the necessary tags, which reduces the chance of setup errors that could delay approval. Open the Sitekit plugin page and click Get Started. This begins Google's guided setup. You'll see prompts that explain what Sitekit will connect and the permissions required. Take a moment to skim these. Understanding them now helps you troubleshoot later if something doesn't look right. Click Download if you're prompted to install the plugin manually. If you download a file, upload it to your WordPress dashboard the usual way and activate it. Then open Sitekit from your dashboard. If the plugin installs directly from the directory, simply launch it from your admin menu. When Sitekit opens, approve the connection by signing in with your Google account and granting the requested permissions. This step verifies your site ownership and links your WordPress installation to your Google services. During the connection flow, enable AdSense within Sitekit when you see the option. Sitekit will add the AdSense code to your site for you, which is critical for review. Once connected, your site may enter AdSense's review process. Reviews can take several days, so be patient. A few tips to improve your chances of approval while you wait. Make sure your site has original, helpful content across several pages. Include clear navigation and essential pages like About and Contact. And ensure your site loads fast and works well on mobile. Avoid placeholder pages and thin content, as they can trigger delays or rejections. That's it. You've gone to WordPress.com, opened Plugins, selected Sitekit by Google, clicked Get Started, downloaded and activated the plugin, opened Sitekit, and approved the connection. Keep an eye on your AdSense status in Sitekit, and once approved, you're ready to start monetizing.